Hi, I'm Peter Muir from Dejero. Today, we'll be learning about the Dejero GateWay 3220 powered by Dejero Smart Blending Technology. Created in collaboration with Dell, the GateWay 3220 is based on the proven Dell Edge GateWay 3200 form factor, but designed and engineered to deliver Dejero's resilient connectivity. Dejero Smart Blending Technology powers this compact gateway by simultaneously blending multiple wired and wireless connections from multiple providers. This technology delivers enhanced reliability, expanded coverage, and greater bandwidth from even the most challenging and remote environments. Reliable connectivity is needed at the far edge to transform data into insights more efficiently across AI, IoT devices, and other applications. With Dejero, you can make faster decisions at critical times. This product is designed for three main applications. It can transform vehicles into mobile offices and improve fleet efficiency with constant, fast internet on the move. Create an instant, reliable network anywhere, from emergency response or even for major events and construction sites where internet connectivity is challenged. From hospitals to retail stores, the gateway can help ensure business continuity by keeping IoT infrastructures online. Let's take a closer look at the GateWay 3220. As you can see, it's quite small and fits comfortably in my hand, just smaller than 7 inches wide. Its ruggedized design ensures that it can withstand varying temperatures and environments. The 3220 is also fanless, meaning no dirt or dust can get trapped in the unit, which is especially important when being installed in a vehicle. As far as connectivity, the GateWay 3220 has 2 cellular modems, one 5G and one LTE. The device can access FirstNet and Verizon frontline networks for public safety applications, and also the satellite for enhanced reliability. The GateWay 3220 comes with a few accessories to kickstart your connectivity. We have 6 cellular permanent mount antennas, 2 dual band Wi-Fi antennas. We also have a power supply. On the device, there are 2 Ethernet ports, one WAN and one LAN. There are 4 USB ports and 2 display ports. There are 2 audio ports, one in and one out, 1 digital input/output, and 2 SIM slots. On the back of the device, we have 2 serial ports and the 2 Wi-Fi antennas. Now we're going to show you how to hook up the GateWay 3220. We're going to start by connecting the Wi-Fi antennas on the back of the unit, and they simply screw on. Turn the unit around. And for the purposes of the demonstration, we're only going to connect 1 cellular antenna, but there are 6 antennas. Screw them on there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the side of the unit, 5 and 6. Finally, we connect the power and then turn the unit on. For more information about the Dejero GateWay 3220, head to dejero.com.